Paul Pasolga, IBMasters Learning Center at IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 10th question from the Digital SAT Test 1 Module 2. It's from the Bluebook app, the harder set of reading and writing questions. Number 10 reads, which choice, if true, would most directly support the student's claim? So we've got to see what the student's claim is. We're going to read this, as long as timing isn't an issue, read it, but keep in mind that the claim is likely to be right at the end of the paragraph. So, reading we get, born in 1891 to a Quechua-speaking family in the Andes Mountains of Peru, Martin Chambi is today considered to be one of the most renowned figures of Latin American photography. In a paper for an art history class, a student claims that Chambi's photographs have considerable ethnographic value. Now check it out, it actually says the word claims, just like the question is. So you know it's coming. So why does it have ethnographic value? In his work, Chambi was able to capture diverse elements of Peruvian society. So diverse meaning different, representing his subjects with both dignity and authenticity. So maybe, if it's diverse elements, maybe, we'll go to the answer choice. He might be photographing different ethnicities, rich and poor, big and small, but he's doing it in a very tasteful way, presenting people with respect. So, answer choice A, Chambi took many commissioned portraits. So, if they're commissioned portraits, it's like they're like ordered, hey, we want you to do this portrait. It's like formal of wealthy Peruvians. But he also produced hundreds of images carefully documenting the people's sights and customs of indigenous communities of the Andes. So indigenous people are the people who are native to a place, and usually they are not wealthy. So we could say that's diverse elements of Peruvian society, and it sounds like if it's a careful documenting of them, then it sounds like he's probably presenting them with dignity and authenticity, how they really are, if he's carefully documenting them. Answer is A looks like an excellent answer. We'll check out the other answer choices just to make sure. Answer is B. Chambi's photographs demonstrate a high level of technical skill, as seen as in his strategic use of illumination to create dramatic light and shadow contrast. Now, answer choice B, this guy's famous. It's probably true, but it's wrong, because that is not directly answering the question. It's not specifically the student's claim. Answer choice C. During his lifetime, Chambi was known and celebrated both within and outside his native Peru, as his work was published in places like Argentina, Spain, and Mexico. It sounds like, hey, it's showing you that he's famous. Everyone knows him throughout the Latin American world. But that's not what the student's claim is. So again, probably true, but wrong. Answer is D. Some of the people and places Chambi photographed had long been popular subjects of Peruvian photographers. There's no support for that. And again, that's not directly the student's claim. People's sights and customs of indigenous communities of the Andes. He might have been the first one to do this. We're talking about 1891, not 2023. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. So the answer is A. Is there any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out that 1-minute video on TikTok.